It's really dirty, it's got something burnt on the bottom. We try scraping it and then using like steel wool to get it off. I'm going to try a different trick, which is I can open the bottle, try to get some caustic soda out. I'll come back. Okay, I added some caustic soda. I had some water there already. Be careful it doesn't splash and you can get really hot. It's exothermic reaction and sometimes make the water boil. So I'm going to leave it fairly concentrated and I'm going to put it on the heat for a little while and we'll see what happens. See if it cleans it, so I'll come back. It's been simmering for a few minutes now. I don't want to boil it too much, but you can see it's all coming up. In fact, if you to get this off, normally you'd be scraping up and then look at that, it's coming up by itself. Well, you have to scrape it on, just wash it. So I'll just simmer it like a little bit longer, but just be careful not to boil it dry again. Look, it's coming up everywhere, beautiful. No scrubbing at all. So I'll let it simmer and we'll come back. Okay, it hasn't really been simmering, but I can see it's just about cleaned it all itself. I didn't have to, but I just gently just scraped the bottom like that, you know, just to see if it was loose, and it was already loose. So what I'm going to do now is just wash it. There it is. I just rinse it with water, wash it with a little bit of soap, and it's clean as. I literally would have spent 30 minutes to 1 hour in cleaning that, sometimes even doing it over like a two-day period as well. You know, scraping it and using steel wool, scraping it again, letting it soak. Just by adding a bit of caustic soda, I was able to clean it like in no time.